Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail, and let me get that line out of there. That way you can see it better. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, not necessarily an update in the sense of new areas of support or new areas of resistance, but confirmation would probably be a more accurate term. And the main point of confirmation that we have, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the other videos, but if you haven't, I've talked about this 65-cent mark time and time again as resistance. You can see this really has been a pretty big thorn in the side of the chart. And once again here, late afternoon, an attempted bounce to the upside. And surprise, surprise, once again, it was rejected there at 65 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that 65 cents can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying we have yet another data point that's really telling us from the storybook perspective, if you will, that, yeah, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's not only going to push above 65 cents, but actually stay up above it. Because right there, you can see the price actually did get above it, but could not hold above it and then fell, quite a bit of a ways from there. So 65 cents definitely confirmed as resistance. But the one dynamic here that I find interesting, and that if you're asking me, Clay, which way is this going to go? Not a guarantee, but you got to give the advantage right now to the bulls. Why is that the case? Well, within the channel itself. So overall context, yeah, the price really isn't doing much, just back and forth within this channel. However, that's what's essentially changed over the past day and a half, is this trend line here has now suggested that within the channel, there is this nice little uptrend. Now, once again, no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So just because there's an uptrend within the channel doesn't mean that guaranteed for sure, go mortgage your house. It is going up above 65 cents, but that is seemingly where the momentum is at this time. So keep a close eye on that. Now, if this trend line is violated, does that mean everything is destroyed? No, because you still do have the bottom portion of the channel down there at that 55 cent level of support. But ideally speaking, if the price can continue to hold above that trend line, that would be the best case scenario. So still one day left this week. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.